The snurp of the Allen wrench echoed through the room as I wrestled with yet another flat pack. This time it was a Fialbo bookcase, its unfinished pine whispering promises of biblioglory. My fingers, stained with lignin dust, fumbled with the cam locks. Each click a tiny victory in the face of mobile rage. Finally, it stood complete, a monument to my own constructor spirit. Despite the inevitable wobble and the extra screw rattling around in the drawer, I felt a surge of pride. I had built this. This was mine. This was IKEA. And this is called the IKEA effect. According to the study, people were willing to pay more money for self assembled products and placed a much higher value on items they had built themselves. Psychologically, the IKEA effect can be explained by people associating positive feelings with successfully completed projects and wanting recognition for their labor. What IKEA product have you built? Please do subscribe.